Icebreaker. Two truths and one lie. Guess the lie. I have two dogs. I can swim. I have been to the moon. Which one is the lie? I have been to the moon. Number two. I can fly like a bird. I have a pet cat. I like pizza. Guess the lie. I can fly like a bird. 3. I enjoy reading books. I have a dinosaur at home. I have ridden a bicycle. I have a dinosaur at home. Number 4. I can play soccer. I can breathe underwater. I have eaten ice cream. Which one is the lie? I can breathe underwater. 5. I have visited a zoo. I like watching movies. I own a pet dragon. Guess the lie. I own a pet dragon. Number 6. I can ride a bike. I have climbed a tree. I live on the sun. Guess the lie. I live on the sun. 7. I have 10 arms. I like chocolate. I can write my name. Guess the lie. I have 10 arms. 8. I have been on a bus. I can talk to fish. I enjoy listen to music. Guess the lie. I can talk to fish. 9. I can jump over a house. I like fruit. I have seen a rainbow. Guess the lie. I can jump over a house. Vocabulary word check. Campsite. A place where people set up a tent and camp. Campsite. Repeat after me. Campsite. A place where people set up a tent and camp. 2. Lantern. 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 A light used for camping or outdoors. 3. Sparkling. 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 Shining brightly. 4. Patiently. 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 Waiting calmly without getting upset. 5. Accidentally. 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 By mistake. 6. Footprints. 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 Mark left on the ground by feet. Number 7. Protect. 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 To keep something safe from harm. Number 8. Adventure. Adventure. adventure, an exciting or unusual experience. Campsite. Make sentence with campsite. The campsite is beside a clean river in a beautiful forest. John and Cliff keep the campsite clean after eating their picnic. Some curious monkeys visit the campsite and look for food. Everyone should respect nature and leave the campsite clean before going home. Lantern. We use a lantern to see in the dark. The lantern gives bright light at the campsite. John hung the lantern on a tree near the tent. Always be careful with a lantern so you don't start a fire. Sparkling. The sparkling river looked beautiful in the sunlight. The stars were sparkling brightly in a night sky. Emma's eyes were sparkling with excitement. The clean ocean was sparkling like diamonds. Patiently. John sat patiently by the river, waiting for a fish to bite. Emma waited patiently for her turn to speak. The little plant grows patiently every day, little by little. The chef cooked the soup patiently so the flavor would be perfect. Accidentally. John accidentally spilled the juice on the table. Emma accidentally sent a wrong email to her teacher. The boys accidentally stepped on the puppy's tail. We accidentally took the wrong bus to the city. Footprints. We saw footprints on the sandy beach this morning. The footprints were small. They must belong to a child. The footprints in the forest show us the way. We should leave only our footprints and take only memories. Protected. We protected animals by giving them food, water, and a safe place to live. We protect trees by planting them and taking care of the forest. We protect our environment by recycling and keep it clean. We protect ourselves by wearing helmets and follow safety rules. Adventure. Every adventure begins with a dream and a brave heart. They went on adventure through the mountains and across the river. Along the way, they faced many challenges, but each adventure made them stronger. The best adventure are the ones that fill your life with memories. Campsite. What time of day is it? It is evening. What do the boys sit on? They sit on a log. What is on the big log? It is a lantern. What is in front of the big log? It is a blue bag. What is behind the boy with the green hoodie? It's a blue tent is behind the boy. What is in front of the boys? A campfire is in front of the boys. Where are the boys? They are on a campsite. What is on the plate? Fruit is on the plate. We set up our tent at the campsite near the river. The campsite was quiet and surrounded by tall trees. At the campsite, we cooked dinner and told stories around the fire. Always leave the campsite clean so everyone can enjoy it.